everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson, and today I am creating this pastel yellow with a white inner corner eyeshadow look, makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I had a lot of fun getting to play with this Milani Gilded pastel palette, and you should see a lot more looks coming from it with the rest of the colors in the palette. But yeah, I'm going to start off with the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. And then I'm going to go on top of it with a little of the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. Sorry, I'm still a little congested. And I'm going to put that on the brow bone area and on the inner corner, just so I have like my skin tone peeking through a little bit. Not much though. And then I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And this is called a highlighter. But I'm going to put this basically on the eyelid and a little bit above it, so you can actually see it when my eyes are open, because I have such hooded eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the Deep Light shade, which is the pastel yellow, and I'm going to put this mostly on the outside of the lid, like the outside areas. And then I'm going to go in with the Ghosted color in the pastel palette. Did I say it was Ghosted? Anyway, it's that white eyeshadow. And yeah, that's pretty much where the look's gonna come. And then I'm going to put on my lashes. And the lashes I'm using today is the LA Girl Diva lashes. I love these lashes so very much. And I'm going to be using the Duo Quick Strip Lash Adhesive, which I've been using on pretty much all my looks here lately for a good while now. Love this glue. Yeah, and then normally I put mascara on before, but for some reason or another today, I guess to camouflage it a little bit better, I decided to do my mascara after I put my lashes on. And I used the Milani Most Wanted lashes. And I will be doing the bottom lashes with this same mascara later. Alright, and then after the eyes, I clean out the fallout that I have. And then I'm going to prime my face using the Essence Prime Plus Studio Glow Boosting and Pore Minimizing Primer with Pink Clay. Love this primer so much. Yeah, can't rave about it enough, really. Then I'm going to go in with the Joah Truly Yours Dark Circle Concealer. I really love this concealer, really nice. And then the foundation that I'm going to be putting on top of that with my wet beauty sponge is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiance Foundation foundation, sorry. The color I have is F5 right here, but it is a little dark. But with the concealer, which is called brightener, that's the color of the concealer. With both of those mixed, I think it wasn't that far off. This definitely is my summer, like my full darkness color of foundation, but it turned out pretty good. I put it on the neck, down the neck pretty far, so it blended in pretty good. And then I'm going to go in with my Milani 01 Romantic Rose Powder Blush. And I'm basically using this as, it's going to be like a bronzer blush duo. It's just going to put some color on my face, and I love it so very much. And I'm doing my eyebrows with the Milani 03 Medium Brown Stay Put Brow Color. And I'm using my Joah brush to do my brows with. And I'm going to be setting my face with the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. And to finish off the look, I'm going to use this LA Girl Glazed Super Intense Color Extra Glossy Finish Lip Paint. And it's in the color, it's basically like a pastel pink in my opinion. So this look is definitely different from what I usually go for. I don't normally use pastels, but you're going to be seeing it a lot from me. At least for the next, how many eyeshadows is in this palette? 15? So I'm going to be using it for 15 days, and then I'll set it to the side. So you might possibly get to see 7-ish looks, maybe. Maybe more, maybe less. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!